can't anyone like just make an electronic book? It'd be so much easier.
Well, Graham, I'm glad you asked that. As good as this book is, it's very 20th century. So I'd like to take this chance to introduce you all to the 21st century. Operations and supply chain management for the 21st century, that is, on the iPad. Chapter 7 is on the iPad and looks exactly like a regular textbook. But this has numerous additional features. So you can see that you can page from page to page with a simple swipe of the finger. You can read a book just like a normal traditional book. If you want to zoom on something, you can turn the book sideways, for example, and we can get a nice big picture of material requirements plan inputs. Or we can go to the next page and we see one of our added features. Anywhere there's an @ symbol, you can click on the @ symbol and another file will pop open. So here we have master scheduling and available to promise quantities. This is not a part of the traditional printed book, but if students or faculty are interested in going into a deeper look behind the master scheduling, that usually is the first step leading into material requirements plan, this page will open up as a PDF sheet. Students can peruse this, then they can press the @ symbol, which takes you back to the regular textbook. I'd like to show you another feature. We can zoom page by page, or we can go directly to page 37, where we have another interesting feature of the electronic textbook. Here we have solved problem 3. It's got the bill of materials, the starting information, and it's got the solution. But oftentimes students have trouble. They have the beginning and the end, but they don't have the in-between. So we've added for this electronic version the little lecturing professor. The icon opens up a video showing how to solve problem 3. So this was recorded in Camtasia, and this is a step-by-step solution. Week 3, 140 units in week 4, 200 units in week 6, and 800 units in week 8. For part A, for part B, you can see that we're going to need 2 units of B for each unit of A. So we've got recorded that already we have the planning factors. Item B has a beginning inventory of 100, lot size of lot for lot, 2-week lead time, and safety stock of 20. So our first step is we're going to take 2 times the master schedule for A. So we're going to take this number, 150, multiply it by 2, and that means that we're going to have gross requirements of 300 for week 3 for unit B. We're going to take this number of 100, master schedule of A in week 4, multiplied by 2, and have 200 units in week 4 for item B. Multiply the 200 of A in week 6 and get. What that means is our inventory at the end of week 3 will be 150, last week's planned on hand inventory, plus 500 minus 450. So our inventory, we're going to order 1,900 units. So 1,000 plus 0 plus 1,000 is 2,000 minus 200, enough inventory to cover that. So let me try a different change. If I make that number even bigger, I'll make the video ends, and you can see the video is about 15 minutes. I won't go through all of it. Shows step by step how to solve problem